Think you're coming with us? You want to come too?
Hi!
Good morning!
We're on our way to Mexico again. It's been what, 4 months?
4 or 5 months.
We just have to leave.
We're back.
We're back.
Well, technically not back yet, but
Yes. So we're excited. This time Amy came to me and she's gonna be flying out of Grand Rapids. So it's gonna be her first time doing.
we are flying out of Grand
Yeah,
Rapids?
we are flying out of Grand Rapids. So it'll be fun and I'm excited.
I am too.
Let's get this started.
I need a tan and I need a drink.
I need a drink. Definitely need a drink.
Yeah. So we'll see you when
See
we
you
get
guys.
there.
Bye!
We got brownie. What was it with cinnamon and chocolate sauce?
Yeah, something like that.
So we-
Vanilla with
brownies.
cinnamon.
We got 2 brownies. Club sandwich with French fries. A chicken Caesar salad, correct?
Yes, and then steak quesadillas.
Steak quesadillas. 2 margaritas and 2 mojitos.
I'm starving.
Dinner time.
Dinner time.
We made it to Mexico.
We did. And you're probably wondering why we were in a bathtub. Well, we wanted water so bad. And by the time we got to the resort,
It was like 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So we literally just chowed down. Got room service.
We ordered room service, which is included. We got, I had a club sandwich, French fries, a brownie, and 2 mojitos. What did you have?
I had a steak quesadilla and then I got a Caesar salad.
She had a side Caesar
Salad.
a brownie, and
then I'm on my second margaritas.
so today's day 1.
It started out with leaving out of Grand Rapids. Like I said before, Amy came to me this time. Usually I go to her. First off, Delta.
We got a free check bag.
Because the guy loved us. The guy
And
loved us.
it was overweight.
Yeah, and I totally pointed that out.
She walks up, she's like, oh, Amy, it's overweight. And I looked at her, I'm like, Tiffany, you're not supposed to point it out. She's like, oh.
Oh, and the guy is like, started laughing, and he's like, it's okay. And then he goes, you know what? I'm going to give you guys this bag for free. So we didn't even have to pay for a check bag.
He's like, but on the way home, it's going to be $30. So
Yeah, he's like, make sure you remember it's going to be $30. So layover, it was fine.
Atlanta.
Yep. Except for nothing was really open to eat.
Yeah.
So we were rushed, but that's our own fault by the way we booked and stuff because we only had an hour layover. But it made it perfect. We literally got off, went right to our gate, and then we got food, and we literally just walked on the plane.
They were already
Boarding.
basically done with
Yeah.
boarding.
And they started early too, so we sat there for a minute.
Yeah.
And
We got to Cancun at like 7:15.
Yeah.
Went through customs, got our shuttle, which was bumpy as crap.
Yeah.
I'm not going to swear in here, but the first people that we dropped off, oh my gosh, that road that we went down was so
Where did they
bumpy.
stay? They stayed at the
I
Desire.
think it was called Desire.
So, but other than that, like it was good. But it was dark, so we really couldn't see much.
Yeah, by the time we got here, it was like, I'd say, what, like 9?
Yeah, by the time we got to the resort.
Got checked in. I mean, we saw the lobby, and that was really pretty, and then they took us to our room on like a little golf cart, because apparently this place is huge.
Yeah, you're gonna see lots of video.
Yeah,
of
we're
it.
gonna do like you'll see like a tour of the place, and it's connected to think it was like 2 other resorts that
Yeah.
we could go to. So
one is another all-inclusive, adults
like a
only,
family one.
and then the one all the way down is for family.
Yeah, we can, but all the restaurants there and stuff.
Yeah,
that's basically all we've seen. We tried to walk around a little bit, but it was just so dark.
It's so dark.
So we basically just came, ordered our room service, went, there's a bar, like, a couple,
Literally.
like
Not that far.
like a minute walk maybe. Got some drinks, brought them back, had some room service, and now we're just relaxing.
Yeah.
Before we go to bed.
One of the things I feel that is weird, I almost feel naked, is this all-inclusive place doesn't give us any wristbands.
Yeah, and you know, the thing that kind of like made me like a little like weirded out, she was like, because when you asked her, do we get wristbands? And she said, no, like, you guys can't leave the resort. And I'm like, sorry, what?
Yeah,
I mean, maybe she didn't mean it like that, but that's how I took it, and I thought that was kind of strange. Like,
Other than that, our flight from not Grand Rapids, but from Atlanta to Cancun was not packed at all. Like,
They actually had us
move. Yeah, they had a bunch of us move.
because they had us all clustered in one little area, and they were like, you guys, there's too many people right here, so if you guys just want to go and move wherever you want.
Yeah.
So
we did that.
And the guy, you had bubbles in your hair. I'm gonna try to remember to insert a picture right here. This guy had his feet up on top of the seat in front of him with his shoes off. I mean, he had socks on, but that's nasty.
It was nasty.
He literally had both of his feet up, and me and Tiffany, we both just looked at each other. We're like,
I was like, all right.
Like those are the things.
Make yourself at home, dude.
Yeah, like those are the things you see like people make like memes of.
Yeah.
So I think that's really all we have to say for today, day 1.
Yep, day 1 in the books. We are tired.
Yeah, we're just going to relax for the rest of the night and
Get up and
go to bed probably in a little bit because I'm really tired and I've got a headache.
Can't wait to show you guys our view when it gets light out.
Yeah, we can't really see it because
No.
it's dark, but
we have a swim up.
swim up
Junior
junior
suite, yep.
and we had no idea that this tub was in here, so we were excited.
Yeah, we were very excited. Yay! All right, we'll see you guys.
Good night.
Night.
Bye.
Looks like I have nipples. Bubbles everywhere. Oh,
It smelled funny too.
it did smell funny.
Unless somebody on our channel just farted. Is it you?
No, I'm thinking it was you.
Oh, no. Me and my sister were little. We used to like put it on her face like beards. The beards.